All right, we're sticking with some more decimal division. So when we're doing this, we want to make sure that we have whole numbers as the divisor. So this is a divisor over here. So we're going to move this decimal 3 spots over here to make it a whole number, which is now going to be 72. Now, when we do that over there, we're going to take that divisor, and we want to also do the same thing. So we move that 3 spaces. We're going to do 1, 2, 3, and our decimal will go right here. Now, these 2 spots here, you are going to fill in with zeros, and then you're going to go ahead and start doing your division. Now, 72 can't go into 41, so we need to make sure that it goes into the 417. So when we're doing that, you want to make sure that you are giving yourself the best estimate possible when doing these things. So thinking about numbers that possibly will divide in, or go into that, you really need to think about. And so the first thing I usually do is think about what number, this number here, what could it go into? How many times can it go into 41? I say 5, so I'm going to try 5 and see if I'm just doing this by hand, what happens. Now that's going to give me 360. If I do that one more time, it will be too much. So I'm good with that. So if it goes in 5 times, we've got 360 here, and then we're going to do the subtraction. So 417 minus 360 is going to give me 57. I'm going to bring this 6 down, and we're going to do this all over again. So again, when we're looking at doing the division here, we want to think about what number possibly is going to give me the 7 times what is going to give me 57. So again, 8 is usually the number I would think of to see if that would work. So we're going to do 72 times 8 and see what that does. That's going to give me 16. Carry the 1. That's going to be 57. So that's 576. That's perfect. That's what I need. So this is going to be an 8, and then that's going to be a 0 remainder. Now, we still have these other zeros to deal with, so obviously you're just going to throw them in there because there's nothing to do anymore at this point because there's a 0 remainder. And so your answer here would be 5,800. And if you would like more questions like these, find them on my YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok at YouWantAlgebra. All of these can be located in the Rational Numbers playlist. And don't forget to ask me any questions that you are looking to have answers to, and I will gladly help you out.